Tsvangirayi directly addressed Finance Minister Ncube, demanding accountability and urgent action to alleviate the burden of high living costs and rampant inflation on Zimbabwean citizens. Welcome back to Zim News Live YTS, where we give you latest updates about what's transpiring in Zimbabwe. Before I go any further, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any updates. Zimbabwe has grappled with economic instability for years, characterized by hyperinflation, currency depreciation, and a lack of foreign investment. Despite government efforts to implement reforms and stabilize the economy, many citizens continue to suffer from poverty and financial hardship. Beyond short-term fixes, the government must address systematic issues such as corruption, mismanagement, and policy inconsistency to rebuild trust and attract investment. Moreover, efforts to diversify the economy, enhance productivity, and support small businesses are essential for long-term resilience and inclusive development. This is today's news. As we can see that Tsvangirayi is now attacking Ncube on their mismanagement that is causing suffering to fellow Zimbabweans. Tell us what you think in the comment section down below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any updates from our channel.